चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
And viewers, there's a big breaking news coming in at top of the bulletin. There's a massive uproar over the appointment of the pro tem speaker in the Lok Sabha. The opposition panelists to stage a protest tomorrow inside Parliament. Remember, this will be the beginning of the Parliament session, and a protest by the opposition panel against pro tem speaker T.R. Ballu and K.R. Suresh will not assist the pro tem speaker. That's what we're learning. DMK MP T.R. Ballu meets Congress leaders in Delhi and decides to lead the protest tomorrow at 10 a.m. over the appointment of Bhartrihari Mahtab as the pro tem speaker. So remember, viewers, the appointment of Bhartrihari Mahtab as the pro tem speaker of this 18th Lok Sabha has been met with criticism from the opposition party, who allege that this is against the traditional practice of selecting the senior most member of the Lok Sabha for the role. Now, even as Mahtab has been a 7-time MP from Cuttack, he is not the senior most from the Lok Sabha, and that's why the opposition has gone all out against the appointment of Mahtab. Meanwhile, now joining us live on the story is my colleague Harsha from New Delhi. Harsha, very good afternoon to you. Now, the opposition is going to stage protests even as the parliament session is to begin. What are some of the contentions of the opposition other than Mahtab not being the senior most in the Lok Sabha?
So right now, Kriti, we have learned that the opposition panel, in this opposition panel, there are few leaders who have been given the opportunity and the responsibility to assist pro tem speaker for indicting the oath ceremony of the newly elected Lok Sabha MPs. And in that panel, there are 2 opposition MPs from DMK, it's T.R. Balu, from Congress, it's K.R. Suresh, and 2 are from the BJP, Radha Mohan Singh and Faggan Singh Kulaste. But now opposition panel has decided that DMK MP T.R. Balu and K. Suresh will not be assisting pro tem speaker Bhartrihari Mahtab in the indicting of the oath of all the newly elected Lok Sabha speaker. Now, the political row started after the appointment of Bhartrihari Mahtab, the BJP MP from Cuttack, as the pro tem speakers. Now, the opposition has cited that the main issue is that the K. Suresh is the senior most member of parliament. He is the 8th-time member of parliament, while Mahtab is a 7th-time member of parliament. While Kiran Rijiju, while addressing a press conference yesterday, clearly stated that the rule book has not been read by opposition leaders firmly, and that is the reason they don't know the protocol and rule of the parliament. The protocol clearly states that the one MP should be in a continuous, without any break, should be a member of parliament, and Bhartrihari Mahtab continuously has been 7 times the member of parliament, while K. Suresh twice in 1998 and 2009 his entire series got break. He was not elected twice, and that is the reason there was a not continuation in his being member of parliament, and that is the reason why K. Suresh has not been made the pro tem speaker this time. And because of this political uproar in national capital, tomorrow 10 a.m. in Lok Sabha, before the oath ceremony, the opposition panel is going to oppose the indicting of the oath ceremony by assisting pro tem speaker Bhartrihari Mahtab. They are not going to assist Bhartrihari Mahtab. So tomorrow we'll get to see the uproar in the Lok Sabha when the oath ceremony of the newly elected Lok Sabha MPs will begin at 11 o'clock. Back to you.
All right, Harsha, stay with us and talk to us about who is the other candidate that we can expect in the Lok Sabha as a pro tem speaker.